Today, I'm going to teach you how to search for commits in Atlassian Bitbucket. This is incredibly useful when you need to track down specific changes, review a teammate's work, or find when a particular file was modified. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials to access your Bitbucket account. This will bring you to your Bitbucket dashboard, where you can manage all your repositories and projects. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on Repositories. This section gives you access to all the repositories you have permission to view. After clicking Repositories, you'll see an option that says View All Repositories. Go ahead and click on that. This will display a comprehensive list of every repository available to you, making it easier to locate the one you need. From this list, select the repository you want to search for commits. This could be any project you're working on or need to review. Clicking on the repository will open it and give you access to all its files, branches, and commit history. Once you're inside the repository, direct your attention back to the left sidebar. Here you'll find another option labeled Commits. Click on Commits to proceed. This action will take you to the Commits page, where you'll see the complete commit history for this repository. Every change that's been made, along with details like the author, date, and commit message, will be displayed here. If you want to see the full list without any filters applied, you can click on Show All at the top of the page. This expands the view and ensures you're seeing every commit that's been made to the repository. Alternatively, if you're looking for something specific, you can use the search bar located on the commits page. Simply type in commit message keywords, the author's name, or even a file path. This powerful search functionality allows you to quickly narrow down the results and find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through hundreds of commits manually. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search for commits in Atlassian Bitbucket, making it much easier to track changes and collaborate effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.